Hello friends, today our topic how to find the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Suppose we are given a square matrix. Obviously to find the determinant of any matrix, the matrix has to be square. And there are 4 elements A, B, C and D. So A is equal to AB according to the first row and CD elements are according to the second row. So how to find out the determinant? Now, the determinant of the matrix A is calculated as A into D minus B into C. So that is the pattern. According to the red color, we have seen that is A into D minus B into C. If you cannot see the pattern yet, this is how it looks when the elements of the matrix are color coded. So practically to find out the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix, we take the product of the elements from the top left to bottom right, then subtract the product of the elements from the top right to bottom left. So let us check the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix using some example. The first one matrix has been given as according to the row, that is 1 2 and 3 4. So obviously the determinant would be 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So the result is 4 minus 6, that one is minus 2. The second one example, find the determinant of the matrix below. So here that one is according to the first row, minus 5, minus 4 and minus 2, minus 3 are the elements of the second row. So the determinant of B, obviously minus 5 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2. So that means 15 minus 8 and that one is 7. So the determinant of the matrix B is 7. Let's check the third example. Evaluate the determinant of the matrix below. According to the first row, that is minus 1, minus 2 are the elements and the second row elements are 6, 3. So obviously to find the determinant of the matrix, we have minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 6. So minus 3 that one and minus of minus 12. So minus 3 plus 12, the result is 9. Once again, let's check with another type of problem. Evaluate the determinant of the matrix below. So here the first row is 5 minus 3 and the second row elements are x, y. So same as 5 into y minus 3 into x. So the result is 5y minus of minus 3x, or the result is 5y plus 3x. Let's check the fifth example. Now here the determinant value has been given. Find the value of x, that one, in the matrix below if its determinant has a value of minus 12. So we have minus 4 into x minus of minus 8 into 2, that one given as minus 12. So we have minus 4 into x minus of 2 into minus 2, sorry, minus 8, that one is given as minus 12. So minus 4, that one, minus of minus 16 is equal to minus 12. So minus 4x plus 16 is equal to minus 12. So we have that one, minus 4x plus 16 minus 16 is equal to minus 12 minus 16, or we are getting minus 4x as minus 28. So we are dividing and we are getting the value of x as 7. So we can check the value of x is equal to 7, right or wrong. So in place of x, we have put the value 7. So minus 4 into 7 minus of 2 into minus 8. So minus 28 of minus 16. So that is the result we are getting minus 12. So that verifies that our solution is correct. So this is how we can find the determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2.